Hi guys, it's me Teacher Gon. In our today's video, we will talk about numerical reasoning pero to be specific, pupuntahan natin yung operation on integers. So without further ado, let's do this topic. If you're preparing for an examination like civil service examination or licensure examination for teachers, basically lumalabas talaga mga integers. And let's start with number 1. In number 1, we are given what is negative 25 plus 16. So this one is addition of integers. So ang rule natin dun is that simple lang naman. If like signs or like unlike signs. Kapag like signs, you need to add the absolute value of numbers. If unlike signs naman katulad nito, this is negative and this is positive, what you need to do is to subtract the absolute value of numbers. So ito, gawin mo muna is 25 minus 16. Okay? Because the absolute value of negative 25 is 25. The absolute value of 16 is 16. Subtract them, it will give you the answer of 9. Kaso nga lang, you need to think kung anong sign ang gagamitin mo. 1 is negative, 1 is positive. Basically, kailangan mong puntahan or gayahin or i-copy yung sign of the integer with the greater absolute value. In this case, 25 is greater than 16. So we need to copy negative. Meaning, the correct answer is letter B. That's it, guys. Now let's move on with item number 2. What is 107 minus negative 17? So I will give you 2 different methods para makuha nyo agad ito. Punta natin yung method number 1. We have 107 minus 17. Basically, sa subtracting, ito yung ginagawa. Copy mo yung first. 107. Change this operation to addition. Then change the sign of the second integer. From negative, gawin mong positive. So 17 na lang yan. Meaning, this 107 minus negative 17, that is simply 107 plus 17, which is equal to 124. And this is the answer, guys. Letter C. Pero paano naman yung second method? Method number 2, mas mabilis to. Ang gawin mo lang, so 107 minus negative 17, i-multiply mo lang yung signs. Ito, i-treat mo tong subtraction symbol as negative. Negative times negative, that is positive. So it will become 107 plus 17. As you can see, parehas lang sila. Same answer, which is 124. Ganun lang kasimple number 2. Now let's try to answer number 3. We have here negative 9 times negative 21. This is multiplication, guys. Yung number 1 and number 2 natin is simply addition and subtraction of integers. This is multiplication of integers. Meron tayong rule. When you're multiplying two integers with like signs, okay? So, that is positive times positive. Definitely, the product is always positive. Ganon din kapag negative and negative. It will give you the sign or the product of positive. Kapag unlike signs naman or different signs, like positive times negative, it will give you a negative product. Kapag naman negative times positive integer, it will always give you a negative integer. Now, guys, as you can see, this is negative 9 and negative 21. Like signs, meaning the product is positive. So all you need to do is to multiply 21 and 9. 9 times 1 is 9. 9 times 2 is 18. Baba natin dito. So this is 189. Meaning, this is positive 189. The correct answer is letter A. Okay, guys? Now let's move on with item number 4. In number 4, we are given 21 times negative 4 plus 8 times negative 2. simpleng MDAS lang ang gagamitin natin dito, guys. So, sir, paano po? Una, natin i-multiply itong dalawang to. Isulat ko lang dito, 21 times negative 4 plus 8 times negative 2. Before tayo mag-add, we need to multiply this and this. Kasi multiplication before addition. As you can see, 21 times negative 4, unlike signs yan, guys, meaning the answer is negative. And multiply 21 saka 4. 20 times 4 is 80. 1 times 4 is 4. So meaning the product is negative 84. Plus, unlike signs ulit, meaning the product is negative, 8 times 2 is 16. So addition na tayo ngayon. We are done with multiplication. Addition na tayo ngayon. Like signs yan, guys. So madali lang to. Add the numbers. 84 plus 16, that will give you 100. Pero meron tayong rule, kapag parehas negative, copy yung sign. And this is answer, letter A. So I hope, guys, you learned something from this video on how to do operation on integers. And if you're preparing for the civil service examination, meron tayong link or meron tayong playlist for that reviewer. So if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe at i-hit mo na rin bell button for you to be updated sa ating latest uploads. Again, it's me, Teacher Gon. Maraming salamat. Bye-bye!